Hello, my friends, and welcome to my channel once again. And if you're new, of course, extra welcome also. And I'm going to show you today what I got from my dear daughter when she came home from Japan recently, and she had bought a lot of pretty things for me. As you can see here, it's a lot of doilies, and these are envelopes, actually, really pretty envelopes, these also. And of course, a lot of pretty origami papers that I can use, not for origami because that's not what I do, because I don't know how. She's pretty skilled at that herself, actually. But I'm gonna use them use them in my art journaling. And this is another set that I really love. Look at the colors, they are so pretty. Yeah, so of course I'm gonna use them in my work soon, because they are so nice and pretty. And this kit I really like also. It's kind of a newspaper kit, and that is really usable. It's good to use for backgrounds and stuff, and for collaging. So of course we'll use that also. And I'm really thankful for all the things I got from her. And there is more. There's some fabric, really pretty fabrics, and I'm not really sure what to do with them as of yet, but she also brought a lot of tiny metal embellishments, and also a lot of molds for sculpturing or resins and stuff. So if you want to make your own jewelry maybe or something. And these are stickers, and this is actually a nail file because she knew I didn't have one, and it's really nice. I'm just showing it because why not? And these are some nice kind of mini plates, and these are washes, of course, really pretty. And I also got a lot of doilies from her, and pens. I love pens. I'm gonna try them at once. And this is a really nice brush pen that I of course want to use, and it's pretty too, so that's a plus. And this is a tinier pen, another brush pen with smaller brush tip, but it's really pretty also. And some more doilies. So I really like to use doilies because they give a lot of nice background and interesting background and texture to the spreads, so I really like them. So these are the things I got. I really love them, and it's nearly a shame to use them, I feel sometimes, but I want to use them at the same time, so I will, of course. Look at this, envelopes, and I really like the oriental style of it. They are from Japan after all, so yeah, I'm gonna use them soon, can hardly wait. But I'm also gonna show you, I got a happy mail from Maremi Small Art, Marta Lapowska, and it's from her new collection, and I really want to show you how pretty they are. And these are rice papers, different wordings, and look at those butterflies and the door and pretty flowers, and yeah, really pretty. And this is a kit of vellum paper, actually. I'm not really sure how to use vellum, but I guess I'm just going to use them as they are, as cutouts, and just glue them in. But they are really pretty. And this is the big pad with a lot of things in it, and it's a lot of cutouts things for cutting out. And look at those, they are so pretty. Oh my god, I love them. It's loads of things in there, as you see, and I can use in a lot of projects. So I'm just gonna fast forward a bit with showing you, because it's a thick one with a lot of motifs in it. Antiquario is the name of the kit, and I really love it. So I'm just going to show you a bunch of everything together that I can play with in the future. And thank you for watching, and please leave a like and a comment. Bye!